Why you worry? The science and trauma loop. Let's break it down. First reason, your brain thinks worry equals safety. Your subconscious believes worrying helps you prepare, but chronic worry tricks your nervous system into staying in a constant fight or flight state, never resting, never trusting. Reason two, you're addicted to control. When things feel uncertain, your mind grabs onto what it can control: thoughts, scenarios, and worst case preparing. This keeps you in a mental overdrive and emotional exhaustion. Reason three, you learn this early. If you grew up in an unpredictable, unsafe, or emotionally inconsistent environment, your nervous system learned stay alert equals stay alive. That hypervigilance turned into adult anxiety, but it's not who you are, it's just a pattern. So, pause for a moment now. Put your hand on your heart and say it out loud. I am safe in this moment. My mind is not my enemy. I am open to peace. Take a deep breath in and out.